Hello, today we're going to check out all the different types of flashes that the Kodak Instamatic cameras used. Starting back in the 60s, we used these AG1 bulbs. Also used an Instamatic flash gun for some of the cameras. The next kind of flash that came out was the flash cube. You can see here's a couple different of the types of packaging that they came in. Here's one from Slovenia. This one is from GTE. And those are a couple of the flash cubes. The next thing to come out was the Magic Cube. Packaging looked like this. You can see it's not brand new. There's something from Wotan, and these guys are from Woolworth. Check that out. Those are the Magic Cubes. The next thing that came out in the 70s was called the Flip Flash. It looked like this. So you had 5 flashes here that you'd have plugged in to the camera, and then when you use those, you'd pull it out, you'd flip it, and you could have your other 5 flashes. This is an example of packaging from Slovenia. All right, well, let's get started. The first camera is a Hawkeye Instamatic camera. This was released in 1963. See, it's kind of a green color. This guy has a twin contact hot shoe. It's the only camera released in the US market with that twin contact hot shoe. I have a Instamatic 32 that was released in the UK, and you can see this also has that twin contact hot shoe. All right, well, this guy requires a Instamatic flash gun, or a flash holder. It just slides right on the front there. Let's make sure that our film is advanced. All right, ready to go. And so this is a AG1 bulb inside of a Instamatic flash gun, plugged into the twin contact hot shoe. Pretty cool. Made a little bit of a smoke. And that guy is used. This has a release right here where we can shoot her out. Next camera we're going to check out is the Hawkeye Instamatic F. It has a integrated flash. Also uses the AG1 bulb. Let's make sure this guy is ready to go. And another Instamatic using the AG1. Okay. This guy has a release on the back. Shoots that bulb out. And in 1965, we have a Hawkeye R4. This guy advanced to using a flash cube powered by 2 AAA batteries that go here in the bottom. And the flash cube, check this out. Now when we go to wind it, normally it would advance to the next one. I guess this guy's not advancing, but it normally would advance to the next one. have another camera that does advance. Let me go grab that and show you guys how that works. This is the 277X. It was released in 1977. Maybe that's why it's the 277. So here's our spent Magic Cube actually on this one. But I just wanted to show you how it advances. So take the picture and it flips to the next one, ready to go. That's actually the next flash that we're going to show you is the Magic Cube. This is a 56X Instamatic camera. It was released in 1972. Uses the Magic Cube. It actually has a pin that strikes a little rod inside the bulb, which then ignites the filament inside the flash. Let's check this guy out. Cool. So the Magic Cube and the Flash Cube have a bulb inside of them that's real similar to that AG1 bulb that I showed you earlier. So all three of those, this is just like a bare bulb you put in, and then they came out with the Flash Cube that you need batteries to ignite, and then the Magic Cube, which doesn't require any batteries. And the last Instamatic flash that we have to show you is the Flip Flash. This is a Kodak Instamatic X15F. The F is for Flip Flash. This guy was released in 1976. Really easy to use. Pop your film in the back. You wind it using this. Let me take this out for a sec. It just pops into a little slot in the top there. Should be ready to go. Let's test her out. Cool, you can see this one went off. And this has what looks like a little bit smaller bulb compared to the AG1, which you can see is a little bit bigger. And those are the different types of flashes that the Kodak Instamatic cameras used. Let's bring them all back here so you guys can take a look at all the different cameras that I showed you today. All right, I hope you liked my video. Have a great day.